Hello dear friends, I am Aditya Chauhan with you. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's session is on class on Navodaya Vidyalaya Entrance Exam Mental Ability 2020. As we all know, yesterday was our Navodaya exam on 6th November 2020. So I have taken the part of mental ability. So we will be solved today that part. So our first question, our part 1, directions are given for the questions. We will be read the directions first of all. So direction are in the question knows 1 to 4. Four figures A, B, C and D have been given in each question. Of these four figures, three figures are similar in some way and one figure is different. Select the figure which is different. Darken the circle for the answer in OMR sheet. Answer sheet against the number corresponding to the question. That means here are four options. Four patterns are given here. One of the pattern is different from the three. So let's start from the first question onwards. So our first question, we will be take here common as triangle and circle. Triangle and circle first of all we will be take. Here we can see option number A, triangle is here. Option number B, triangle is not here. And option number C, triangle is here. Option number D, triangle is here. But in option number B, triangle is not here. So that means option number B is our answer. Okay. Let's move on to the second question. Our second question is, one arrow is going towards the line. It is going towards the line, to the border line. Okay. The next question we will be see. This arrow is also going upward to the border line. Then option number C, pattern number C, we will be see that this line also goes to the border line, this arrow. Now pattern number D, we will be see that arrow is going to the middle of the part. That means our option number D will be the answer. So we will go to the question number 3. We will look here. Here we have circle. Think it is your clock. It is the clock hanging on your wall. Okay, how does clock work? Clock work as clockwise. It also work clockwise. It also work clockwise. It is also working as a clockwise. But it is working anti-clockwise. So your answer will be option number D. Let's move on to the fourth question. Will be C, T E A R T E A T A T E. T art eat A T E. We will be take common as here alphabets. A E T. These are our three alphabet we have taken common. In option number A, T is here, E is here, A is here. And then option number C we will be C. Let to B now. Option number C we will be C. So in option number C, E is there, A is there, T is there. But now we will be C, option number D. A is here, T is here, E is here. Then let's see our option number B. So A is here, R is not in this three numbers, three alphabets. So our answer will be option number B, art. Okay, let's move on to the next question. The next question is, We will read the directions. In question number 5 to 8, question figure is given on left side and 4 answer figures marked A, B, C and D are given on the right side. Select the answer figure which is exactly the same as the question figure and the darkened circle on the OMR sheet against the number corresponding to the question. That means here you have given the question figure at one side and answer figure at one side. So you have to find the figure which is exactly same. So let's start with our first question. Our first question is our first pattern figure is umbrella. Okay, we will be look that carefully, that umbrella. Here's a stick of umbrella. Move to the this side. Now let's see all figures carefully. So we will be know that option number C and option number D will be out, because you can see umbrella stick is turned to this side and their sticks are turned to this side. That means option number C and D are wrong. And then we will be see here A and B. You can see that the shaded type part is exactly middle to the stick, but here you can see it is out of the stick range, so it will be wrong, and our answer will be option number B. It was so simple. And the next question number 6 is very simple. As you can see, arrow is going upside. Only remember this arrow is going upside. Then we will be see now next. Here you can see arrows are interacting each other. That means they are fighting together. That's wrong. These are also wrong. This is wrong. It will be same. That means it is correct. It is wrong. Our answer will be option number C will be our answer. Let's move on to the seventh question. Our seventh question is nothing. Very simple question. It has, we can look at one circle, one stick and 3 legs. We can see here it will be not match. It will be match. It will not match. It will not match. Our answer will be option number B. Okay. Then we will be see question number 8. Here is plus. Is this figure, option A figure is matching to it? No. It is not matching to the question figure. It's not matching. Option number B not matching. Option number D not matching. Only the option number C is matching. That means our answer is option number C. So let's move on to the next question. Our part 3. Part 3 says, its direction we will read. In question number 9 to 10, there is question figure on the left side and the part of which missing. Observe the answer figure A, B, C and D on the right side and find out the answer figure which, without changing the direction, fits in the missing part of the figure in the order. Complete the pattern in the question figure. Indicates your answer by darkening the circle in the OMR answer sheet against the number corresponding to the question. Let me zoom it. Okay. First we will come here and we will be try to make it by ourselves. We will be not look options first. It will be our figure. I will make here. I will make here now. Okay, remember it. It is our figure. So let's see which figure is matching to that. Our option number B is matching to the missing place. We will be see here. Here it is making the fan type shape. I will show you. So we will be see here. Now what will become here? Our option number D will come here. It will be as your work. You will be check. Option number D is the correct answer. You can see how can it happen. It will be a homework for you as. So we can see next question. I will be tell answer because video is becoming long. So answer for 11th will be option number D. Answer for 12 will be option number D. I will show you. Option number D. No, I am saying wrong. Option number D is not answer. Option number C is the answer. Sorry for the mistake. Now we will go to next part. Part number 4. Our part number 4 says figure in the question in question number 13 to 16 there are three question figures. On the left side space for the fourth figure left blank and the question for the figure. That means here are the pattern given. What will be the fourth figure? Options are given here. You can see here shaded part, then one circle to the opposite. Okay, one circle to the opposite, then same opposite to it. Then our answer will be option number D. Here we will be see. Here is the first triangle here, triangle here, triangle here. Then triangle will be here. Then we will be see here triangle is which place, which is place in this. So here is triangle, here is triangle. Option number B and option number C, there are two triangle, but these are not one answer. Answer is only one. Now we will be see circle as circle is here, then here, then here. Then our circle will be here now this side. So only in option number B circle is here. That means our option number B is answer. Then 15th question. I will tell directly answer now. Option number A. Then 16 I will tell with whole explanation now. That our question is 5 are this side, 5 are this side. Okay, so what they have done? 5 they have cut like this way. Okay, then it is 4 and 5. Then they have cut it like this way. Then now it is equal. Then they will cut like this way. Then they will cut like this way, like this way, like this way. Okay, then after you can see here, I will tell you. For cutting they have done. They have cut this. Then they will cut this. Then our answer will be option number B. Let's move on to the next part. Our part number 5. Here also what will be the next shape at the fourth place? We will be write its answer. Its answer will be option number C, because here we have given one circle and one shaded part, then one circle, two shaded part, and here are one triangle, one shaded part, and here will be also one triangle and two shaded part. So we have here two triangle and shaded part, which is our answer option number C. I know many students will say option number D also have two shaded part, but one thing which does not change the shapes, as you can see here, like this is shape, so it is same as shape. So now we will be see here. Here is one circle inside and 3 lines. I will tell its answer because it is very easy. Directly I will tell. Its answer will be option number C. Okay. Then 10th, our 10th answer will be 19th answer. You can see here dot, then going, dot, then going. Then what will be here? So that means it is going to this side, that upper and this side, but not coming to downside. So will be our answer will be downside, dark circle here, and the cross will be its opposite side, that means to this side. It will be the option, it will be the answer. It is matching to option number D. Then question number 20 we will be C answer. Its answer will be option number C. Then question number 21 we will see from this. First we will be read the instruction. I will tell you. That means it makes a shape, but it is not a whole shape. What part we will be add here that it become a full shaped? Okay, so what part will add here? Will be do option number C will be added here. Okay, then 2 here, then circle will become from this, then 1 2 3. Okay, then its answer will be option number A. What will be added to 23? Okay, option number C will be added. 24, what will become here? Here will become option number A will be come here. So you have to think and write. This one is very understanding and mentality test is taken mostly from these questions. So these question tells, first you have one paper, then you fold it to it 1/2, then 1/4, then you have cut some part. Okay, then what will be the answer? Then what will be the shape of that paper? What will be the different from the that in that paper? Its answer is option C. You can do it as a practical. You can fold the paper like that way and cut. Okay, then now we will see 30 answer will be option number B. 31 answer will be option number B. 32 answer will be option number B. These are three B answer, three together. We'll be see here this question. Here question says that these are the things given here, which shape they make in the option. It makes the shape option number B. These make the shape option number A, and these make the shape option number B, and these make the shape option number B. Okay, then we will be go to next. They have given us like this way. So our question says directions upper. These directions are given that this figure is embedded in one of the figure to the answer figure. Question figure says this figure is embedded where option number B. You can see here. Okay, these are matched. Now here you can see 38. It is embedded where? So it is embedded at option number D. So this figure is embedded where? Option number A. This figure is embedded where? It is embedded option number D. You can see option number D is the answer. Thank you friends. I have now done 40 questions. These are your mental abilities question. I thank you all, and I request you to please subscribe, like my channel. It's my second video on YouTube, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.